This Cajun Mason Jar Salad has everything you need without any added salt. Watch this. Now, you know I had to add some chicken to this salad, so let's not play. But I'm using that BeBe salt-free to season up these chicken thighs. Make sure you get boneless and skinless chicken thighs, season both sides. All this flavor right here is all you need without any salt. You can get it from UncleDibs.com. Cook these for about 6 or 7 minutes on both sides. And then while they're cooking, it's time to get those veggies ready. Now, this salad is all about those colors. You want some cucumber, some red onion. Even though they're purple, we still call them red onion. Anybody know why? Let me know in the comments. And then we got to go ahead and slice up that red bell pepper. Make sure you slice them into nice bite-sized pieces. At this point, your chicken should be done. Go ahead and cut those into nice strips or bite-sized pieces, depending on how you like it. And then, oh yeah, we cannot forget that avocado. But make sure you do the avocado last, so it's not just sitting out there and turning brown while you're making all this other stuff in the kitchen, all right? Slice up that avocado, set it to the side, squeeze a little lemon juice on top to make sure it doesn't brown too much. And don't forget your beans and your corn. Go ahead and cook those as instructed. Then it's time to make that homemade dressing. Yes, homemade dressing. All you need is olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and then for the flavor, that King Creole blend. All the flavor you need with 0 salt. Go ahead and give everything a nice mix, and then it's time to assemble that salad. So you're building this salad upside down. So chicken in first, then we're gonna go with that corn, then the black beans and the peppers, the onions, the cucumber, top it off with the avocado, and then stuff it with your mixed greens. Tighten up your cap, and this is the fun part. Shake that thing like a Polaroid picture. And when it's time for lunch, all you gotta do is dump that thing on the plate, grab your fork, and you're good to go. To get this full recipe, go to my site, UncleDibs.com. That's good, shorty.